Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Carlos from Inciarte 4x4, and in today's video we are gonna say thank you and welcome to the RHINO USA sponsor, because now they're gonna sponsor our truck. They send us a lot of stuff and everything, all the lineup from the recovery accessories we have here in our truck, almost all the line out from them. Now we are gonna be making some videos, reviews, photos in our social media channels, show you guys how they work, how you guys can use it. And remember, now we have a section on Spanish in our channel. You can just go to our channel. I'm looking for Spanish videos if you want to learn in Spanish as well. But in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how all these accessories, we are gonna be opening every single one and show you guys here all the accessories, and then we are gonna make a video for each one. Thank you guys, thank you RHINO USA. Now we are part of the family. Now let's jump to the fun part and start to show you guys all the accessories. Okay guys, thank you for watching all these unboxing video. I'm gonna make a video for each one of these items, but how you see it today is how they come in on the box. You know, they come with those camo bags, they come with black bags, the ropes, the kinetic rope, the tow strap. You can choose colors on the website. Feel free, and I'm gonna invite you guys to go to their website because they have a lot of product, a lot of accessories. A lot of accessories are coming soon. They have like a more and more products. They're gonna be like a one-stop shop on a website. You can find everything on the RHINO USA. And the good thing is we have a discount code for them, Inciarte 4x4. Just when you finish your checkout on the website, just put Inciarte 4x4 and they're gonna save you a lot of money on the website. If you are watching this video, go over there, take a look at the website, see all the products. If you have any question for any product, feel free to leave a comment below here. I will reply you as soon as possible. And like I say, welcome RHINO USA family. Now we are part of the team. Now we are gonna be hitting the road with all the recovery accessories. I mean, we can just go anywhere we want because now we are prepared. Thank you guys and stay tuned.